Sparkle, it's a digital twin factory which has been created in the virtual reality to reproduce the physical factory, in this case from Airbus, from one of our bigger clients. So the use case is about controlling a factory in remote. For this, we take the data in real time, thanks to our SenseForge technology, our smart sensors. We put this information into an IoT platform, thanks to our internal IoT platform, ViewForge, and with all this, we plug this information into the VR world. We are able to receive this information in real time, take decisions and execute these decisions in remote. In fact, we are able to move a robot from the virtual factory, and you will see that it is synchronized with the reality. So it makes no difference to have this robot here or 5,000 kilometers away. It is exactly the same technology. The potential is huge because we will be able to execute a lot of tasks from the factories in remote in the future.